So, how to create an account on Shein app. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Shein application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for sign in. Click on it. You can create your account using Google, Facebook, and Apple ID. If you want to create your account using Apple ID, tap and continue with Apple. As soon as you verify your Face ID, you need to write down your phone number and also write down your verification code. Once you write down your code, click on submit. Once you click on submit, your account will be created, and that's it, guys. That's how you're going to create an account on Shein app. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein application, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.